the area of a car park is 2 hectares. What area would it occupy on a plan drawn to a scale 1 to 500? Remembering that 1 hectare is 10,000 metres squared. That's normally given in a question. So map and plan scales are given in centimetres. So we'll work out that 2 hectares is 20,000 metres squared. So 1 to 500, which is the scale of the plan, will mean that 1 centimetre is equivalent to 500. If you divide that by 100, that will give you the scale in metres. So that will tell you that 1 centimetre is a ratio of 1 centimetre to 5 metres. Now, if we draw a rectangle to represent an area of 20,000 metres squared and put some dimensions in, the dimensions we can put whatever we want, but an obvious one would be 200 metres by 100 metres. And then if we look at the plan, in order to get this length on the plan, we would need to divide it by 5, because that's a scale. So we divide that by 5, we'll get 40 centimetres. And if we divide 100 by 5, we will get 20 centimetres. If we worked out 40 times 20, that will give me 800 centimetres squared. So the area on the plan is 800 centimetres squared. Now, an alternative solution, which is a bit more difficult, is to say that 1 to 50,000 means 1 centimetre to 500 centimetres is equivalent to. So that means an area ratio of 1 squared to 500 squared, which means that 1 centimetre squared is equal to 500 squared centimetres squared. If we draw a square, 1 metre by 1 metre, 1 metre squared, and then 1 metre is 1,000 centimetres and 1,000 centimetres. 1,000 times 1,000 gives you 10,000 centimetres squared. So 1 centimetre squared will be 500 squared, changing the scale now, to divide that by 1,000 centimetres squared. That will put that into metres squared, which gives you 25 metres squared. So 2 hectares is 2 times 10,000, which is 20,000 metres squared. So using ratio, we've got plan in centimetres squared and actual in metres squared. On the plan, that 1 centimetre squared is, and on the actual, is equal to 25 metres squared. We want to go from 25 to 20,000, which means we would have to multiply by 20,000 over 25, which will give you 800 if you cancel down. And therefore you have to do the same on the other side. So 1 times 800 gives you 800 centimetres squared, like we've done before. So the area on the plan, it should be, is 800 centimetres squared. So this has been a video to show you how to use map scales to find an area on a plan. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.